How's it going? My name is Dylan Anderson. I am a solution engineer here at Salesforce. And a few weeks back at TDX, we announced Headless 360. And if you don't know about Headless 360, in short, it's basically our suite of apps, tools, MCP servers, APIs, all of those things that agents and yourself need to use Salesforce on any surface imaginable. And the best part about that announcement, in my opinion, was our native support of React. The same React that the modern web is built on, and the same React that coding agents love to use when designing websites. So let me show you how it works in Salesforce. So we're in Salesforce now, and as a seller, imagine for a moment I'm logging in for the day, and I might jump into my leads, I might actually make a phone call, but instead I'm going to jump over to a full screen app, and I'm going to launch Agentforce Today. Now, Agentforce Today is something that I've created using the things that are important to me as a seller. And so at Agentforce Today, I want you to think of as the place where a seller could go every morning instead of looking at some dashboard. At the top here, we have all of those things that are really important to that seller. As we go, we see different stories as part of this digest that really point this seller to focus on what they need to be focused on most. And so I see here that we've got a lot of open pipeline over the next 90 days. I do have a forecast meeting later today, so I should probably catch up on that. So as I click into this, the first thing I notice is that it's giving me a lot of information about what I need to do. And Agentforce is surfacing all of that right here in this beautiful React app where I'm still logged into Salesforce, by the way. I can see all of the things that are relevant to me. And because we're talking about AI, I actually want to use AI to do this. Now, I could come here and start chatting with Agentforce. In fact, I can change the model. I'm using Opus 4.7, but with Agentforce, we support every model as a model agnostic provider. So if I wanted to use Google or OpenAI or even NVIDIA's models, I can do that as well. I'm going to stick with Opus 4.7 and I'm going to click on Open Forecast Focus. Now I'm going to go ask the agent here to tell me all about my opportunities, really show me what's going on. And now this has become a conversational interface where previously I could see those opportunities, I could jump into those records in Salesforce, but I'm going to have the agent actually speak to me here and we can have a conversation about my business. And just like that, I've got an amazing response from the agent focused on the things that matter most to me. And so I can see I've got a lot of pipeline coming up. I even have this detailed breakdown of all the different accounts and opportunities that are coming up. I can even see my forecast category roll up, and I can see the 30-day deals that matter the most. Agentforce is actually going to recommend that I do certain things specific to certain deals. It's even asking if I want to dive deeper. I can even have it draft an email. I can really start talking to it and having it do anything. This is the power of React, Agentforce, and Salesforce all coming together. Now, if I close out of here, one of my favorite parts about this app is that I can set up tomorrow's digest through Agentforce Today of what matters to me most. Maybe I want full coverage, maybe I just want to focus on revenue, or maybe I just need help prepping for my day. That customizable experience is only possible with React and Salesforce, with Agentforce fueling it on the back end. So hopefully this was informative. Thanks so much for watching. I'm so excited to see what you'll create with React on Salesforce, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.